23 basic life hacks everyone should know. There are enough unexpected obstacles in everyday life. A few basic life hacks can make simple things even simpler. A few things lying around the house could help you out in unexpected ways, including bobby pins, Post-its, stickers, onions, and many, many more. We bet you want to learn all these really cool life hacks. But first, before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips like this, and turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. Also, check out our Bestie friendship quote at the end of the video. Alright, so let's dive into all those useful do-it-yourself tips and tricks that you need to know. Life is complicated enough as it is. Embracing these basic hacks will help you with the simple problems in life so you can focus on the big ones. Here are some basic life hacks everyone should know. Number 1. Pens. Here's a tip if you keep, losing your pens. If you've ever lent a pen to a classmate or colleague, chances are you didn't get it back. Pens get stolen all the time, but one way to avoid this is to take out the blue ink and place it in a red pen. No one steals a red pen. Number 2. Toothpaste. Here's a useful do-it-yourself trick that you can use for that ever-essential teeth cleaning tool. Before you throw out your tube of toothpaste, make sure you're not wasting any. Use 2 bobby pins to slide up the tube so you don't miss out on any fresh minty goodness. Number 3. Keyboards. Here's a tip for all you computer people out there. If your keyboard keeps getting all dusty and gross, then you'll find this do-it-yourself trick pretty useful. It doesn't take long for keyboards to get dirty, but Cheeto lovers rejoice! Post-it notes are a great little tool to clean the hard-to-reach areas of your keyboard. The sticky strip will collect all of that grime that used to call your fingertips home. Number 4. Closet. Living in close quarters? Sick of always having to try to find space for all your clothes? Then this useful do-it-yourself tip is for you. If your closet has no room for the hangers to slide, try using a soda can tab to create some more hanging room. Slide a tab onto a hanger, and you get an additional hole to throw on another one. Number 5. Water bottles. Here's a trick that you can use to make sure that you stay hydrated all throughout the day. While most of us know we're supposed to drink 8 cups of water a day, it's a hard thing to measure. To make sure you're properly hydrated, create lines in your water bottle so you're drinking at least 200 milliliters every 2 hours. Number 6. Phone prop. Here's a quick trick for all you people out there who love using your phone. If you like to watch movies or shows on your phone, try using a pair of sunglasses as a makeshift stand to prop it up. Aha! This one is genius! Number 7. Stop bleeding. Are you a big cook? Are you also a person that gets hurt a lot? Essentially, are you Suki from Gilmore Girls? Well, then this basic DIY life hack is for you, combining your love of food with your tendency to cut yourself. Onions can be used for a lot of things other than eating. Using a strip of onion film on a fresh cut can also help you stop bleeding. Number 8. Soap. This DIY tip might sound a little gross, but take it from us, it does work. If you were a potty-mouthed child, you may be familiar with soap in your mouth. However, turns out there are some major benefits to doing so. Brushing your teeth with soap can remove plaque and buildup that toothpaste won't. Number 9. Pizza. Want more pizza, but have a small oven? Sometimes one pizza isn't enough, but your pan size and oven might tell you otherwise. Cutting your pizza in half will allow you to cook 2 at once. Number 10. Cables. If you want to organize all your unruly cables, try using a Lego man to hold them for you. Not only will you organize your life, but it'll make your house look quirky. Number 11. Ice cold. Want an ice cold beverage fast? Take some wet paper towel and cover your beverage before placing it in the freezer. This process will have your drink refreshingly chilly in just a couple of minutes. Number 12. Flip-flops. One way to save a broken flip-flop is to use a bread clip to secure the rubber thong. An ideal solution for campers and sloppy music festival goers alike. Number 13. Cheetos. Keep your fingers Cheeto dust free by using chopsticks. Make sure to avoid orange fingers and also practice your chopstick skills, so you don't embarrass yourself in front of a much hipper, much more cultured friend at sushi night. Number 14. Brain freeze. Don't let a brain freeze hold you back from indulging in an icy treat. Press your tongue firmly against the roof of your mouth to relieve your brain freeze. Number 15. Dustpan. Filling a big container of water isn't easy with the limiting size of the sink, but using a dustpan will help you transport that water into your bucket in no time. Number 16. New dustpans. Don't have a dustpan? No worries. Cutting off this part of a milk jug will give you a ready-to-use makeshift dustpan instantly. Number 17. Luggage. Do you have a hard time finding your luggage at the airport? Is your baggage the same color as everyone else's? Well, with this life hack, spend less time at baggage and more time enjoying your vacation. Tie something distinctive to your suitcase, whether it be a brightly colored ribbon or a picture of yourself. Either way, you'll be able to spot your luggage in no time. Number 18. Bad smells. Does your dorm smell bad? Or maybe there's a room in your house that you hate the smell of. Well, this is the DIY life hack for you. Take a dryer sheet and tape it over your AC unit. Then, turn it on. The AC will spread the air throughout your room, and the dryer sheet will make sure that the air smells fresh as fresh can be. If you don't have an AC unit, then don't panic. The same trick can be done with a regular old portable fan. If you don't have a dryer sheet, well, then we can't really help you. And how are you doing your laundry? Number 19. Waterproof shoes. Times like spring and winter can be awful, especially if you don't have boots. This is because all the waters get your nice shoes all wet. Not only does this ruin them, but they tend to stink up any room that they're in. Not to mention it's really uncomfortable. However, there is a way to waterproof your shoes and save you from those terrible, damp times. Just rub your loafers or sneakers in beeswax and the water should slide right off. Number 20. Garbage. There's nothing worse than trash juice. Just saying the words makes me sick. However, it's a fact of life that after a while, your garbage will drip if you put wet things in there. Well, if you use this helpful life hack, then you'll never have to worry about that stuff again. Just stick a piece of newspaper at the bottom of your bin and it should absorb all that disgusting liquid. Never get any of that juicy crud on your hands again. Number 21. Batteries. Ever wonder how you're supposed to tell if your AA's are still good? Want to avoid just putting them in your remote only to discover they're dead? Well, this is the DIY life hack for you. Finding out the nature of your battery's life is simple. Just drop them on the ground. If it bounces, maybe once, and falls over, then it's still good. If it hops around a lot, then it's either dead or on its way out. Number 22. Pictures. Do you have trouble with looking good in pictures? How about your smile? Does it always look forced and unnatural? Well, then pay attention, because this life hack is for you. If you squint your eyes, then experts say that your smile will look a lot more natural. Finally, you can look like you're actually happy when someone demands to take your picture. Number 23. Cool lanterns. This one is for you if you do a lot of walking around in the dark. We don't need to know why. I mean, we don't judge. Anyways, if you're skulking around, stick your phone underneath a bottle to make a cool lantern and distribute the light a lot better. You didn't hear it from us, and we're not sponsored by them, but it works best with a Gatorade bottle. That way, you can choose the color as well. And that's it. What did you think of our list? Did you learn a new life hack that'll help you in your daily life? What about you? Are there any DIY tips that you want to share with your fellow Bestie viewers? Let us know in the comment section below all of your life hacks. Bestie friendship quote: "The capacity for friendship is God's way of apologizing for families." J. McInerney. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.